All right, welcome back everybody to The Perfect Walk. But today we're gonna check out what it is like riding on a Japanese ferry in the inland sea. Let's get started, everybody. Let me go find out how to buy a ticket. This is the Takamatsu port area, and it is absolutely bustling this morning. We've got, looks like a little coffee shop, lots of people out and about buying tickets. How cute is this? And somewhere over here is where I buy a ticket. Hopefully not this long line. We'll check it out up here, see how it goes. All right, we got the ticket. Cash only, FYI, cash only. And we're going down to the port, number 3. All right, Naoshima is our destination. Excited to check it out.
We'll be arriving at pier number 3.
That's us.
Please have your ticket ready and wait till the boarding starts. 다음 나오시마행 고속 여객선은 3번 정착장에서 출항하겠습니다.
Very exciting. Can't wait to try it.
매표소에서 구입하여 주시기 바랍니다.
All right, this looks like our boat, the Thunderbird high-speed ferry to Naoshima. All right, we are on the boat. The seats were full downstairs, so we're standing, but that's what I wanted to do anyway. I just wasn't sure it was allowed, but now it definitely is because there's no chairs. Time to go. Looks like it's time. We got other ferries coming in. We're pulling out. Time for a ferry ride from Takamatsu. Let's do it, everyone. Let's go. A little breezy. Love it. About a 30-minute ride. I hope you're ready. Goodbye, Port of Takamatsu. You'll be able to hear me at all, actually. So let's just enjoy the ride. looks like we have arrived at Naoshima Island. I don't think you could hear me on the boat ride, so I tried to stay mostly silent. But here we are. We're going to do a virtual walk around the island, maybe two. Hope you enjoyed the ferry ride. It was super smooth, super easy, no issues. See you on the walk. I wanted to show you the larger ferry port as well. This is on the way to Takamatsu return trip. And it's a significantly bigger boat. So I'll take a tour of this one and add it to the video so you can see both types of ferries. Time to get on the boat. Very cool. It's like the seating area. Looks like there's tons of seats, places to hang out. The lounge area, very cool. Yeah, lots of space. Just crash. I bet there's a top deck we can go find. Yeah. All right, here's the back deck. And the top deck. Sweet. Sorry about the wackiness with the gimbal. There we go. Yeah, this will do nicely. I think I'll pass on being downstairs. Didn't see a vending area or anything like that, so maybe not on this ship. This looks like the captain's space up here. The bridge. Yes. Yeah, all in all, a cool boat. And a great island. Really, really enjoyed this stop on the trip. Couldn't be nicer. Couldn't be nicer. We've had a chance to look around the boat up top here. We are heading towards Takamatsu port. let's go check out downstairs, make sure we didn't miss anything. We'll do one lap as we're pulling into port. You can see there's some sailboats out in the harbor too. It's kind of cool. So we'll go down and do one lap downstairs. I'm not sure what you can do downstairs here. Oh, this is where the cars are. Off limit. On limit. In case you were wondering what the inside of a Japanese car ferry looked like, it looked like this. Do not enter there. Do enter here. Oh, there is a vending machine area. It's in the back, so we'll go check that out. Yeah, looks like you can get some drinks here. Very comfortable. We got TV, Wi-Fi, a little bit of everything. Not sure why you would sit in there when there's still prime seating available up here. And here we are. So I think that's a good enough tour of the boat. Hope you enjoyed both ferry boats, the speedboat and the regular. I'm going to pack this up and get off the boat. Everybody, thanks as always for the love and support, and see you next time. Bye for now.